Welcome students. So this is our second lecture for ongoing chapter, continued with exercise 7.1. Question number 1 continued. The heading is solve the following equations, and the sub question S is in front of you students. It's sub question S, sorry. The question is 0.52 m minus 2.36 is equal to 3.36. As you know, the heading question number 1, which is continued, it is solve. It's just solve, and whenever we have the heading solve, means we need to find the value of unknowns, or we need to find the value of variables over here. Here a variable is this m. 0.52 m minus 2.36 is equal to 3.36. okay, so what I'll do over here is, therefore 0.52 m, I'll write here only, is equal to 3.36 plus 2.36. This minus 2.36 goes on right hand side, becomes plus 2.36. Because I want to find the value of m, so I'll keep this m on this side only. Next case it will be, therefore 0.52 m is equal to, I'll add this, 6 plus 6 becomes 12, carry 1, 3 plus 3 becomes 6, and this carry 7, 3 plus 1 4 plus 3 7, okay, and then 3 plus 2 becomes 5, so 5.72, this becomes 5.72. but as I need to find m, so I'll send whatever number I have along with this m, which is multiplied, 0.52 is multiplied with this m, down. So therefore m is equal to 5.72 upon 0.52. Now see, I can see here that in the numerator I have decimal point after 2 digits, and in the denominator also I have decimal point after 2 digits. So I can definitely write like this, 572 upon 0.52. I have just removed decimal point. I know the 0 का कोई sense नहीं, there is no sense of this 0. It's basically 52 only. But then to teach you all that it's exactly same. Even if we have any number at the place of 0, then that number will come. If at all here it would be 1.52, so here it will become 152. I've just removed the decimal points. Okay, the 0 has no value. Okay, now let's do the cancellation, please. I'll just do the cancellation over here. I'll start with 2, if you say. So 2 2s is 4, carry 1. 2 6s is 12. 2 2s is 4, carry 1. This becomes 17. 2 8s is 16, carry 1. 2 6s is 12. Okay. Once again, it will go into. So this will be 2 13s is 2 1s, 2 3s are 6, 2 13s are 26. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and 2 3s is 6. Now it's 13 and this is 143. Pay attention here. M is equal to 143 upon 13. Now see this. 13 ones are. This is 14. So 13 ones are is 13. But here it is 14. So 1 is remaining. So this 1 will be going over here. And this also becomes 13. So 13 ones are. Okay. So therefore M came to be 11. And this is our answer, students. This is our answer. Pause the video please and do it first. Okay students, now the next question is in front of you. It's sub question T. The heading is same. We need to find the unknown. We have to solve it. Here the unknown, the variable is x. Okay, let's start students. It's very obvious that I'll open up the brackets. That is, I'll expand the bracket. This 3 will be multiplied with this x, as well as this with minus 3. This plus 4 will be multiplied with this 2x, and as well as with this plus 1. Okay, so therefore 3 into x becomes 3x, and 3 multiplied by minus 3 becomes minus 9. This plus 4 multiplied by 2x becomes plus 8x. Plus 4 into plus 1 becomes plus 4 is equal to 5. As I need to find the value of x, so how many terms we have with x? We have plus 3x and plus 8x. Okay, so 3x plus 8x becomes 11x. So 11x. Okay, this is what? Minus 9, and this is plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4 is what? Minus plus minus, sign of bigger number, which is minus, becomes minus 5. okay, and is equal to this 5 remains here only at the right hand side. Therefore next step will be 11x here as it is, this 5, this minus 5 goes on right hand side, becomes plus 5. Okay, so therefore I need to find the value of x, right? So x is equal to 5 plus 5 becomes 10, and because this 11 was multiplied with this x, it goes down, so this becomes 10 upon 11, and that's it, students. That's it. We can stop your answer over here. This is your answer. Pause the video please and do it first. Students, the next question in front of you, before starting this question, I'll mark a big star over here. Very, very important. The heading remains same. We need to solve. Solve means we need to find the unknown, and here the unknown is k. Okay, let's start, students, all of you. See, therefore, this 5k plus 4 the whole upon 2, I'll write it as it is. Okay, I am not doing any change over here. But students, I can definitely see here, just to confuse you, they have given this step. This 3 is given outside the bracket, that we need to multiply this 3 with k as well as this minus 4. But in the denominator also I have a 3, please. Okay, so I can definitely cancel this 3 out. I can cancel it, but right now I'm not cancelling it. I'm just writing it as it is. So minus 3 into k minus 4 the whole upon 3 is equal to, first thing is I'll convert this into a normal fraction. Okay, so 6 2s is 12. 6 2s is 12 plus 1 13. This becomes 13 upon 6. Okay, it becomes 13 upon 6. Okay, see, deliberately I did not cancel this 3 because it would have no sense. Yeah, I know that if I cancel this 3 then there will be no denominators, but then too I have denominator here also and here also, so anyhow I have to manage the denominators. Okay, that's the reason I did not cancel it. If you cancel also, then also it's fine, the answer will be correct. Okay, now see here, if I observe here closely, what happens over here is the denominator here is 2, the denominator here is 3, the denominator here is 6. Okay, so I'll take LCM. Okay, but before that I'll solve this term. I'll solve this term, please. I am marking a green box over here. This 3 will be multiplied with k, this 3 will be multiplied with this minus 4. This will be the change. This I'll write as it is same, this I'll write as it is same, please. Okay, so I'll copy this as it is same first. It's 5k plus 4 the whole upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6 minus, now see this upon 3 as it is, 3 into k becomes 3k minus 3 into 4 becomes 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay, and now comes a very, very important step over here. Pay attention, all of you. Pay attention, please. I can see here, all of you, that here the denominator is 2, here the denominator is 3, and here the denominator is 6. The highest is 6 over here. Can I say if I multiply this 2 with 3, this becomes 6? So if I multiply this denominator with 2, I have to multiply the numerator also with 3. If I am multiplying this 2 with 3 to make it 6, so I have to multiply this numerator also with 3. This 3, how much should I multiply with this 3 to make it 6? Of course with 2. So if I'm multiplying the denominator 3 with 2, so I have to multiply this entire numerator also with 2. Okay, so let's see the changes. This becomes 12. 2 3s are 6 minus this also 3 2s are 6 becomes 12. Sorry, 3 2s are 6. I'm very sorry, my bad. 6 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And here I have 13 upon 6. Okay, so now this 3 will be multiplied inside. Okay, so 3 multiplied with 5k as well as with 4. So 3 into 5k becomes 15k plus 3 4s are 12. Okay, it's a bracket over here. Minus this 2 will be multiplied with 3k as well as this with minus 12. So within the bracket 2 into 3 becomes 6k minus 2 into 12 becomes 12 to the 24. This is the scenario. And why we made the denominators same? So to have a common denominator, that's it. And this eases our sum. So common denominator 6 over here. See here, please. It's 15k plus 12. But be careful here. I have a minus sign here. Okay. So I'll write proper brackets. If you forget to write the brackets, so your sum will be wrong at this moment itself. Because when I'll open up this bracket, because of this minus, all sign changes over here. I'll do it afterwards. So 6k minus 24 is equal to 13 upon 6. Now on the left hand side I have one term. This is one term because I have one single denominator. upon sign. On the right hand side also I have one term, so this 6 and 6 can be cancelled because I have one term. That's the reason. Okay, so now I'll open up the brackets. First, please see here, this will become therefore 15k plus 12. Because of this minus, this 6k ka sign will change and this 24 ka sign will change. This will become minus 6k, okay, plus 24 is equal to 13. And we are done with our sum, please. We completed our sum. Therefore, how many terms you can see with k? It's 15k. This is minus 6k. 15 minus 6 becomes 9. So 9k. Okay. Plus 24 and plus 20, plus 12 and plus 24 becomes 36. So plus 36 is equal to 13. Now this 36 will go on the right hand side, becomes minus 36, please. Okay. So see here, please. This will be therefore 9k is equal to 13 minus 36. Okay, I don't have place here, please, so I'll do it over here. You will not bifurcate your page like this. You will do it systematically, leaving one lines. Because I don't have place, that's why I'm drawing the line like this. Okay, therefore 9k is equal to 13 minus 36. Okay, the answer will be 23, please. Okay, but the bigger number is with negative sign, so it will be minus 23. So therefore value of k will be minus 23 upon 9, and that's it, students. This will be your final answer. Yeah, it was an important sum. Nothing great we have done. Okay, you have to leave lines and do it systematically, please. Pause the video, please, and do it fast. Okay, students, please see here. Next question. The last question for this ongoing question number 1. Solve. We need to find the value of unknown, which is x over here. I just want to highlight to you all this right hand side. It is 50% of 1 upon 4. Okay, so instead of doing the calculations in the sum, you can do this in the rough work, please. See this, 50% of 1 upon 4. 50% of 1 upon 4. 50 percentage can be written as 50 upon 100. To remove this percentage sign, remember this. If you are not knowing, I'm teaching you like this now. 50% ko I can write 50 upon 100. From where this 100 came, it's a rule okay, to remove this percentage sign, we always put upon 100. Understanding? If it would be 30%, so I would have removed this percentage sign and I would have written 30 upon 100. Okay. At the place of this off, I will write multiply. Okay. And this 1 upon 4 as it is 1 upon 4. Hope you all understood. To remove this percentage sign, I have written this 100. Off means multiply, and this 1 upon 4. That's it. Now see this. It's 50 upon 100 multiplied by 1 upon 4. 2 2s are. This becomes 2 25s are, please. Okay? Becomes 2 25s are. Anything more you can cancel over here. No, I cannot cancel because it's a odd number, 25. So this 25 ones are becomes 25, and 2 into 100 becomes 200. Okay, now I can do something more over here with 5. I cannot cancel with 2, but with 5 I can do. 25 ones are 25, 2 into 100 becomes 200. 5 5s are is 25. Okay, 5 4s are is 20. Okay, 0. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40. So I can write it as 1 upon 8. Instead of copying the entire question again and again, you can do this thing in the rough work. Okay. This was 25 ones are 25, 100 2s are 200. Okay, cancellation with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are is 20 and 0 copied. Okay, 5 ones are 5 and then 5 8s are is 40. It's 1 upon 8. So directly at the place of this, we can write here as 1 upon 8. Okay, let's do it, students, over here. Okay, so therefore now I can see over here, I got here as 8 denominator. Okay, so I'll copy everything as it is. 3 into minus x plus 1 the whole upon 4 plus, see I can cancel this 2 1s are 2 4s are, but I will not do it. Why? Because the iska denominator bhi 8 aaya. Okay, so I will not touch this. I'll copy this as it is. 2 into 2x minus 3 the whole upon 8. Deliberately I can cancel it, but I will not do it. And instead of this, I'll write just 1 upon 8. Okay, it's so easy. Total we have 3 terms. This is first term, this is second term, and this is third term. Denominator of this is 8. Denominator of this is 8. And here it is 4. Okay, so what I will do, I'll multiply here with 2 and here also with 2. 2 4s are becomes 8 and this 2 3s are becomes 6 outside. Understanding please? Because I want to make all the denominators same. So this will become 8 plus this also becomes 8. It's 8 only, sorry. And this is 1 upon 8 as it is. Okay, now see this. 2 3s are become 6. 6 is outside now. And in the bracket I have minus x plus 1. Okay, here 2 is outside and here it is 2x minus 3. Basically I have copied this as it is same. I've copied this as it is same. Only change is in this term. 2 4s are becomes 8 and 2 3s are becomes 6. That's it. Now I'll open up the brackets please. I'll open up the brackets. So this will become, it's 8, this is 8, this is 1 upon 8. Okay, now see this. This 6 will be multiplied with minus x, becomes minus 6x. This 6 will be multiplied with 1, becomes plus 6. Okay, in between I have plus sign. That's the reason I'm not making the brackets. If you make the brackets also, it's fine. This 2 will be multiplied with this 2x, becomes 4x, minus 2 multiplied by 3 becomes 6. Okay, that's it I think. So we are done with the question. Therefore I can have a common denominator 8 here, and here also I have 1 upon 8. This is minus 6x from here, plus 6 from here, because I have plus sign, so there will be no change in the signs over here. So I can copy this as it is, plus 4x minus 6. Everything depends on the middle sign. If it would be a minus sign, then I would have made a bracket, and then when I open up the bracket every sign changes. Okay, so this will be, see here, it's plus 6 and minus 6. I have one term on left hand side of equal to sign. I have one term on the right hand side of equal to sign, and both the denominators are same. So 8 can be cancelled, and here 1 is remaining, 1. That's it. So now what will be the case? See here please, all of you pay attention. So therefore I'm left with minus 6x plus 4x is equal to 1. Yes, that's it. I don't have place, that's why I'm writing here. You will not do that like that. You will write one below another. That too leaving space, proper space, leaving lines. Minus 6 plus 4x becomes minus 2x. Okay, is equal to 1. I need to find the value of x. So I'll keep this x alone over here. So x is equals to 1 upon minus 2. You can even write minus 1 upon 2 or minus in between. It's one and the same. Pause the video please, all of you, and complete it fast.